Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our Trauma Worksheet. Sadly, as a mental health practitioner, you will undoubtedly come across clients with a history of personal trauma. This worksheet is a digital PDF resource to help your clients identify the trauma triggers they encounter in their daily lives and develop a plan for either reducing the exposure to or learning to cope with these triggers. A trauma trigger can be anything from a certain smell or sound to a particular place or activity. This worksheet is designed to give your client the tools they need to manage the triggers that they encounter in their daily lives. All kinds of mental health practitioners can utilize this trauma worksheet in their practice. Here you can see a list of professionals who may find this worksheet particularly useful. Professionals who treat clients with post-traumatic stress or a personal history of trauma will likely benefit from offering this worksheet to their clients. The first step is to access the worksheet, which you can do using the link on this page. Next, you will need to distribute the worksheet to your client. You can either give them a digital copy, which they can fill out using the interactive text boxes, or print it out and give them a paper copy. Once your client has completed as much of the worksheet as they are able to, they may wish to discuss certain sections with you. The final table, which involves identifying coping mechanisms, will likely be where the most professional assistance is required. If your client chooses to return this trauma worksheet to you, the last step is for you to store it securely. To get a better idea of the sorts of things your client may include in this worksheet, take a look at our example trauma worksheet. Feel free to pause the screen to read in more detail. To access this worksheet from within Carepatron, simply head to Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Then ensure you're filtering by Community Templates to see our entire library of resources. You can then filter by keyword, trauma. Hover over the result and click Choose Template. Then select your client from the list. And the trauma worksheet will be loaded into your draft tab. Once it's completed, hit Publish.